Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: account access, API key or web interface, and billing limits so generation won't stop mid-task. Once done, choose the subject, a visual style, and an aspect ratio such as 16:9 or square. Then write your first prompt as 1 or 2 clear sentences that name the subject, art style, color palette, and mood. Make sure to add negative terms for unwanted elements. This gets you into the generative loop quickly and avoids vague outputs. Now refine. Iterate with targeted modifiers, camera lens, lighting, composition, era, or artist influences, to steer detail and tone. Once you have a base image, adjust model settings like creativity/temperature, sampling steps, and seed to explore predictable versus surprising results. Make 3 to 5 small variations rather than one large rewrite. This narrows down what changes impact the output. If you need tighter control, combine an uploaded reference image with a text prompt. Finish by choosing the best render and applying upscaling or re-rendering targeted crops to preserve detail. Then use in-painting or edit mode to correct faces, remove artifacts, or refine text within images. This is where you polish the final composition. If outputs are inconsistent, simplify the prompt, lower creativity, or change the seed to regain control. Also check content policy limitations and billing if generation stops. Troubleshooting tip: when things go wrong, reduce complexity and iterate with one variable at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.